我们在 exhibition 里面看了很多厨房的设计，今天很荣幸约到 COMPOSIT 意大利厨房专家跟我们讲解2022的厨房设计的趋势，很开心可以约到他们呢。Let's go， 一起问问专家。
Welcome to our show.
Thank you. This series called Pepper.
Pepper is another collection designed by Bizarre Design Studio, which is a very important studio in Italy. This has been designed 3 years ago in 2019, and this is part of our modern catalog. It features a blend of two materials. One is the wood with a solid wood frame and handle, and then staved veneer for the central panels. This is a fridge door. It's available in any size and in many colors. This is a light elm wood, but it's also available in walnut, in other type of veneers. But then for the base units, we have textured lacquer. Textured lacquer is a very really interesting material. Yeah.
New for me.
It's very new. Yeah, it's super new. We're, luckily we're the only one to market this product.
Wow.
Because again, working with a designer, Bizarre Design Studio, they work for another brand that makes wall coverings, and they said, why don't we use it for kitchens? So they brought it to us, and we were the first one. So that's a very interesting metallic look that is available in different colors.
Blend.
Blend is another collection designed by Bizarre Design Studio. So it features a very nice door with a thin metal frame, aluminum, which is available in titanium or in a black color. The central panel is a metallic scratched lacquer, but it can be anything. It can be glass, it can be ceramic, it can be wood. So here is how it looks from the back. So this will be like a thicker frame on the back. And here it's a nice new material. It's a chevron pattern in walnut veneer in a pocket door system. And the same pattern, we have it on the table here, which is in wood with a nice little live edge. This is the same frame, but with a porcelain front, same as the worktop. This is a sliding backsplash. So you have storage space behind your backsplash.
Touch.
Touch is another collection designed by Pier Giorgio Castaniga, very important designer based in Milano. The handle is incredible. It looks like there's no handle, but then you touch it with your thumb and then close it when you're done cooking. It's made of extruded aluminum, and it comes in any color. This is a red color, but it can be any material or any color.
This is really new for me.
Yeah, we have a patent on this handle. That's what I mentioned when I tell you that design and research and development is very important. I show you the back. There's a new system as well. Here is a little bar area with wine and some cocktail tools. But then when I don't use it, I just push it and I hide it. This is a new material. It's a staved oak. And then again, when I want to access to the bar, I just open it. Very easy.
Yes, I'm so excited. Can catch contact and talk about kitchen. So I want to ask, composite kitchen in Italy is more than 60 years. I know I really do research. And I want to what is your selling point for the composite kitchen and compare others?
So as you said, Composite Kitchens is an old company in Italy. The Composite brand was founded in 1974, but it's true that we started to do business in the 60s, so it's 60 years. Composite is a medium high-end level, and what makes it different from other brands is the continuous investment in research and development and design. We hire designers, world-known designers, mostly from Italy, but from other countries as well, to design new collections for us. We normally launch one collection every year or 18 months, it depends. but we come out with new materials, new finishes every year or 8 months. So it's continuously fresh, you know. So that's one of the key of our success, the design and the value that we give to the design to make it different from our competitors.
So besides the design, just like you mentioned about sure is the quality and the concept, do you have any other strong point like Italian design must have few things you need to follow and this is your core?
Yeah, besides design is the you know, outside of the kitchen. So it's the face of the kitchen, which, you know, selling a luxury product or medium or a premium product is about emotions. So the first approach is the most important. So when you see, actually when I talk to a client and I try to see his eyes when he looks at the kitchen for the first time, and I immediately understand if, you know, he likes it and if he get it or not. It is true that kitchens must be practical as well and must last for a long time. You know, in Italy we have a strong history of you know, our kitchen cabinets makers and artisans. So quality is extremely important. So for us, what's inside, what's behind the door and behind the handle, behind the accessories is extremely important. So we work with the best brands for drawers, hinges, and all the technical parts, mostly Bloom from Austria and other major brands from Italy and Germany, so that all our cabinets are extremely durable. We also offer a 5 years warranty on all our products. And being a family-owned business, we really take care of the relations with our, you know, dealers and customers throughout the world. So honestly, we don't have bad reviews, even if something happens after the 50 years. We're very happy to help. You know, the most important is that the customer is happy and is, you know, telling other customers to go with our brand. That's the most important thing.
Which means your kitchen never will spoil, can last for forever, durable. This is
I don't know
your
if you know the story. In Italy, our grandparents and also our parents actually, so my parents as well, when they move to one apartment to another, they're used to bring the kitchens with them.
Wow.
So that's something that is very specific of the Italian, you know, history, I guess. So that's why us as cabinet makers, we pick materials and we design kitchens to last forever and to resist to, you know, for the cabinets to move from one house to another, because that's kind of how our parents think.
Wow.
Nowadays, the new generations, you know, they don't do that anymore. But for me, being inside the company, when we design a product, we design it with that in mind. You know, the cabinet must last forever.
Wow, which means one kitchen passed to 3 generations.
Yeah, that's absolutely true.
看了我整条厨房影片，是不是对意大利厨房很心动呢 ？OK， 好消息 ，Composite Kitchen 很快来到马来西亚。如果大家有兴趣的话，可以直接 DM 我，或者在我下方留言。那我的影片到这里结束，喜欢就点赞、留言、分享。下个影片见，拜拜。